Hare Krishna. A hearty welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with a Radha Ashtami special recipe. We all know that Radha Rani likes arbi a lot. So today we will make arbi ki puri. Here I have taken 250 gram of arbi which I have boiled it in the cooker for 2 whistles. We have cooled it. Let's peel off the skin. I have peeled them off. Now let's grate it. If you want, you can apply some oil on your palm. Similarly, we will grate all the arbis. Here you can see I have grated all the arbis. Now take a mixing plate and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon asafoetida or hing, and 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Now mix all this well. I have listed down all the ingredients with their quantity in the description box below. You can refer it. Now let's add 2 teaspoon ghee and mix it well. You can also use wheat flour instead of maida here. You can see it has mixed well. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of curd and give it a good mix. Here we won't be using water for kneading the dough. Now let's add the arbi to this. Give it a mix. Since we have grated arbis, it helps us to knead the dough without any lumps. The arbi has mixed well enough. Now let's add another 2 tablespoons of curd and knead the dough. Make sure to knead the dough neither too hard nor too soft. I have given all the Radha Ashtami special recipes below in the description box. You can surely try them all. Our dough is ready. You can see its texture. Let's make small balls of the dough. I have made all the balls here. With the help of oil, roll it into puri. Make sure they should be of medium thickness. Here I have heated the oil. Let's check it. You can see it is floating. Let's fry a puri now on medium flame. Arbi ki puri is generally offered to Lord Srinath Ji in Nathdwara for Bhoga. You can see how well our puri came. Flip the puri or fry it on the other side as well. You can see our puri has fried. Let's take it out. Similarly, I am frying this puri also. Flip and fry it on both the sides. You can serve this puri with arbi ki sabji. Its recipe link I have given in description box below. Arbi ki puri are ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Radha Govinda. Our crispy arbi ki puri are offered and ready. Don't miss trying it out this Radha Ashtami. For more Bhoga offerings recipes and festive recipes, stay connected to Krishna's Cuisine. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol, Radhe Radhe.